Learning window. Notice the words highlighted in the above sentences. The words many, some, a few, a lot of, and any tell us about the number of things. A. We use a and some, a few, many, not many, a lot of with countable nouns. Examples: I need a few notebooks from the store. We have many boxes. B. We use any and some with uncountable and plural nouns to mean a limited quantity. Example: there were a bowl and some cornflakes on the table, but there wasn't any milk. C. We use any in negative statements and in questions. Examples: there isn't any sugar in the bowl. Have you got any butter? D. Some and any can be used with countable nouns also. We use any or some when we cannot or do not wish to specify the exact amount of something. Some is mostly used in positive sentences and in questions. Examples: she has some pins. Can I borrow some paper clips? Any is used in negative sentences and questions. Examples: we haven't got any buns from the market. Are there any biscuits in the jar? Many, much, a lot of. A. We use many with countable nouns in plural form. Example: she has many dolls in the box. B. We use much with uncountable nouns. Much is commonly used in negative sentences and in questions. Examples: how much water do you need? We don't get much rain here. C. We use a lot of and lots of with both countable and uncountable nouns. They are used to express large quantities of something. Examples: a lot of paintings were damaged in the fire. Farid likes lots of butter on his toast. A little, little, a few, few. A. A little and little are both used with uncountable nouns. When we use a little, we mean there is a small amount of something. When we use little, we mean that there is not enough or almost none. Examples: there was a little water in my bottle, so I shared some with my friend. There was little water in my bottle, so I came home thirsty. B. A few and few are used with countable nouns. A few is more in quantity than few. When we use a few, we mean that there is a small number of something. When we use few, we mean a very small number or almost none. Examples: since a few students came to school, the teachers did not teach anything important. Few students came to school, so the classes were empty. Look at the chart below to see how we use some, any, a few, little, much, many, and a lot of.